In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the blog publication date in Squarespace 7.1. This process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes of your time. Removing the publication date can be beneficial for keeping your content timeless, or whenever you want to focus more on the article's substance itself rather than when it was published. So let's dive right in and show you the exact steps to accomplish this. First, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace login page, enter your credentials to access your Squarespace account. If you find it more convenient, use the Continue with Google option. It's a quick way to log in if your Google account is linked with Squarespace, helping you bypass entering usernames and passwords. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your active projects. Click on the website that you want to modify. This will take you to the main editor page for your selected site. From here, what you need to do next is navigate to the Pages section. You'll find this option in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Click on it and this will display all the pages currently set up on your website. Now locate the blog page from the list of pages. Click on the blog option. This is where you'll manage all your individual blog posts, and it's going to be the focus of our modifications today. Once you've entered the blog section, look for the blog post list. Here you'll need to click on the edit button next to one of your posts. This action will allow you to edit the content and layout of your blog post. Within the blog post editor, you should now see an edit section button. Click on this to bring up editing options for the specific sections of your post layout. In the sectional editing menu, locate the secondary meta content options. This section controls various metadata display options, including the publication date. Click on it to proceed with the settings. To remove the blog publication date, simply choose None from the available options. By selecting None, you'll effectively hide the publication date from your readers, ensuring that it doesn't appear on the front end of your blog. Don't forget to save your changes to confirm your updates. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully removed the publication date from your blog post in Squarespace 7.1. Making this change can help keep your content looking fresh and engaging without the context of time. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day.